Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing things a little bit different because this is my birthday makeup and I didn't plan on filming on that day or today, the day that I did this. So my daughter was asleep at the time, so I just decided to film my makeup. So firstly, I'm starting off with the Napka Moisture Mist, and that's just to help prime and get my face ready for my foundation. And I'm going in with the New Colour Advanced Liquid Finish Foundation in shade Sunny Beige. Now, with all the products that I used today, I will be linking down below for you as well, as always. Also, let me know if you like the way that I am doing this type of video, or do you prefer when I'm actually chatting while I'm doing my makeup? I would love your opinion. If you could leave a comment, that would be great. So next I'm going in with the New Colour Concealer in shade Light. And I'm using my paddle brush, and I place that under my eyes and on my eyelids, sorry. Also to just add a little bit more coverage and to provide a good base for my eyeshadows. As you can just see how smooth my under eye area is, how much brighter it is, and how even my skin tone is after just applying it with the paddle brush. I still can't believe how smooth my under eyes were. So next I'm going in with my Stay Matte pressed powder in the transparent, it's not really a shade, just transparent. It's by Rimmel. The cover has been very, very worn, so you couldn't even see the lid. But I just press this everywhere, all over my face, under my eyes, on top of my eyelids, and this just helps set everything down and to help prevent creasing. I can't talk today, guys, I'm sorry. This is honestly one of my go-to powders, especially if it's a warmer day. If you're prone to sweating or an oilier complexion, this is definitely a very good pressed powder to use. Next I go in with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Shade and Define palette. And I generally go in with that yellow shade to brighten up and set properly under my eyes. I just find that these powders really work, and so far I have not had a problem with any creasing or anything like that. It seems to work really well. Next I go in with just a warmer shade to bronze up my complexion, and I pop that just on my cheeks, and generally I sweep that all around the outside of my face. So generally I frame my face with that shade, so around my forehead, on my cheeks, sometimes along my nose. Next I contour with the darkest shade, and I generally grab a little bit on a domed brush, and generally that brush is just a little dense. I find that it just helps me buff out the colour that I need to really, really nicely. So obviously I'm just using that same brush and contouring my nose a little bit. Not that I feel that I need to, I just sometimes like contouring my nose just to make it just that little bit more streamlined looking. Next I'm going in with the Designer Brands Mineral Pressed blush in the shade Blossom. This has a really, really pretty sheen to it, and it's really buildable. So as you can see, I'm just layering and layering. I really wanted a blushed look today. Next I'm going in with the New Colour Lip Plumping Balm, and it's a pink tinge, so I just thought I'd mention that. It's not like an opaque shade, it just helps to hydrate my lips. It's my go-to lip balm just in general. It reminds me of Blistex, and I love Blistex. So I just did my eyebrows off camera. I used the Finishing Touch brow powder. It's in shade Light. Next I use the New Colour Nutriol eyelash treatment on my eyebrows to set them, and on my eyelashes to prime. I'm going in with the shade Bestie from the Shanaxo Remix palette as a transition shade. And I'm just buffing that through the crease with a fluffy blender brush. So then I mix in a little bit of the shade Lover, which is that purpley shade, because I felt like having a bit more of a purpley, pinky, muted transition colour. And I'm not being very careful with this, I'm just buffing that right through. Next I'm going to take the shade Stalker, and I'm just deepening up that outer V. And I just keep doing this until I get the desired depth or color that I am after. So this is the shade Glow Baby. I'm taking that and popping that all over the lid, pretty much for the first 2/3 of it. Not necessarily cutting my crease, just kind of smacking that all through there. And then I'm taking Island Glow and I'm popping that straight on top just to brighten it up. Just with my pencil brush, I'm just taking the Island Glow shade and I'm highlighting my inner corners. And then taking the shade Vampette and darkening up that outer corner as well. Taking the Lula eyeliner I decided that I was just going to do one eye on camera, one eye off camera, and I'll leave that link down below as well. So I'm taking the Terracotta shade out of the Shanaxo palette and just warming up my eye look because I decided that I wanted to go with a warmer lip. Now taking whatever's left in my Holy Grail shade. I'm highlighting with that on my cheekbones and all the high points of my face. So forehead, nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. Now I did this off camera, but I've put on the Wild One lashes by Exo Beauty, and I just used the lash adhesive by Exo Beauty as well. Then I just set my face with the Napkin Moisture Mist. And the lipstick that I went with today is Breadwinner in the Power Lips range, which I'll also leave linked down below. These are the best lipsticks I have ever tried in my entire life, and I don't think I'll use anything else, to be honest. They're just so comfortable. They're just so, so pretty. So yeah, that is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this little mini birthday makeup tutorial. And if you want to see more, hit that like button. And if you don't want to miss out, click subscribe and click the notification bell. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.